Okay, quick update. I have recorded and I'm in the process of editing a full teardown video to get to what you see right here. I will be recording on how to build it back up to a recognizable transmission very shortly. I'm about to purchase a transmission internals that I wish to put in here very soon. Just making a quick video, haven't uploaded anything in a while, just been super busy doing a bunch of busy mundane stuff, cleaning, fixing, things that I don't deem interesting enough to actually record. But that is all where I'm at right now. Literally, all I've been doing is tearing apart transmissions and cleaning them. So I have a good bell housing here, not too scarred up, not too scraped. Input shaft bearing decided to say deuces, and so had a little bit of carnage with the fallout there. But cleaned up the bell housing, cleaned up pretty well. I feel like I got all the metal shavings out after a couple of dunks in the old part washer. And now it's just ready to accept 2002 Sentra internals into a Maxima V6 bell housing. And that is what I'll be showing you guys on how to pretty much start from almost scratch. I would be replacing this bearing as well, but this is currently, as of the time of recording, unavailable through Nissan. I'm probably going to play around a little bit and tear out another one from one I don't care about, measure it, compare it to Mitsubishi and Hyundai sources, and see if I can just order it through them. Stay tuned for that, but I'll be doing that in the background. But yeah, that's just where I'm at right now. Just really busy doing really boring stuff that really isn't worth recording. And I am working on the second part of the how-to on the Nissan Sentra Spec V internal swap, or Maxima V6 bell housing swap. Don't know how you want to phrase it, but stay tuned, and it will be uploaded very shortly, the first half anyways. Editing a 1 hour long video takes way longer than 1 hour, that is for sure. Alright guys, see ya.